Okay, so this is 12.1 algebra. Okay, very easy. Which of the following is the equation of the circle of center -6, 0 and radius 9? Always remember it's x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. Okay, remember hk are your center. Since 0 is my y, it's just going to be y squared. Okay, and this is 6, so x minus 6 squared. Okay, so x minus 6 is just x plus 6 squared. Okay, plus y squared equals the radius squared. This is my radius is 9, so 9 squared, which is 80. Oh, my handwriting is atrocious. Question 2, which of the center, and the radius is equal to 10. Okay, whatever. Center at the origin means the center is 0 comma 0. Okay, that means x minus 0 squared plus y minus 0 squared equals r squared. Okay, 0 0, so just x squared plus y squared equals 100, since 10 squared. Okay, question 3. Okay, 6 root 3 comma b, and b is less than 0, belongs to the circle with a center at the origin and the radius equals 12. Center at the origin means x squared plus y squared. Okay, there's no x minus something, x minus y minus something, because there's no center. It's 0 0. Origin 0 comma 0. Okay, and the radius is equal to 12, so that means that it equals 12 squared, 144, because x squared plus y squared equals r squared. Okay, this is the equation of the circle. Okay, so they want you to find the y coordinate of this point. They gave us the x. Can't you just do it? Yes, 6 radical 3 squared plus y squared equals 144. Okay, y squared is going to be equal to 6 radical 3 squared is going to be 36 times 372. No, 108. So 144 minus 6 radical 3 squared, which is 108. And you're going to get y squared equals 36. You're going to get y equals plus minus 6. Okay, but they want that the negative value, so it's going to be -6. Well, also positive 6 isn't in one of the choices. So, question 4. Consider the circle whose equation is given x squared plus 18, x plus y squared plus 32 equals 0. What is the center? Obviously, remember that the center is minus a over 2, comma minus b over 2. Okay, so in this case it will be minus 18 divided by 2, which is minus 9, and minus 32 divided by 2, 8. There's no coefficient for y. There's no coefficient for y. There's, because it goes ax, goes x squared plus y squared plus ax plus by plus c equals 0. And since there's no coefficient of y, يعني the center, the y coordinate of the center will be 0. Okay, هلا the radius, remember always that the radius is half root a squared plus b squared minus 4c. It's going to be half root a squared, which is going to be 18 squared. And since b squared, there's no b, so just skip it, minus 4 times 32. And if you put this, you should get, I think, what do you get? 18 square. Let's put up the calculator. 18 squared minus 4 times 32. 196. And I think 196 is, root 196 is 14. So it's going to be 7. Okay. Okay. Question 5. Basically, here you should, since they gave you 2 points, they give you the center and a point on the circle. To find the radius, you just find the distance. How do you find the distance? It's radical x2 minus x1, so minus 3 minus 0 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared, so minus 4 minus 8 squared. You're gonna get 9 plus minus 4 minus 4, so 16, and this equals 25. Okay, the equation of the circle. How do you find the equation of the circle? Okay, it's going to be x minus h, but since the x coordinate of the center is 0, we just keep it as x squared, and then y minus 8 squared, which is just y plus 8 squared, equals r squared, which is 25. Okay, yeah, I'm not going to write it down. Same questions. Question 6. Consider a circle whose diameter is AB, with a is minus 5 0, b is 716. How do you find the center? The center, when you have a diameter, is just the midpoint, and the midpoint formula is m is minus x1 plus x2 over 2, comma y1 plus y2 over 2. Okay, so it's going to be minus 5 plus 7 over 2, which is 1, and then 0 plus 16 over 2, which which is 8. Okay, then the radius. To find the radius, you can just find the distance between the center and one of these points. We'll do that now. Okay, our point is 1, comma 8. Okay, let's find this in 1, comma 8 and minus 5, 0. Radical. Minus 5 minus 1, which is going to be 6 and minus 6 squared. Okay, minus 5 minus 1, yeah. Then 0 minus 8 squared. X2 minus x1, y2 minus y1. Okay, you're going to get radical 100. Okay, and it's 10. So the radius is 10, and you always know that you write it as r squared. So it's going to be 100. 10 squared is 100. Question 7. Consider okay, 3 points. How do you find the equation? You have to substitute 3 different times. Okay, let's do it. So you know that the form here they want is x squared plus y squared plus ax plus by plus c equals 0. Okay, so we have to substitute. First point, minus 6 was going to be minus 6 squared, which is 36. Okay, plus y squared. 0 squared is 0, so we skip it. Plus ax, so minus 6 times a. Plus by, and since b is since y is 0, 0 times b is just going to cancel. Okay, plus c equals 0. Okay, next one. Minus 4 squared is going to be 16. Plus y squared, 2 squared is going to be 4. Plus ax. X times a minus 4 times a is going to be minus 4a. Plus by. 2 times b, 2b. Plus c equals 0. C is always just c. Okay, now the last one. Minus a squared, 64. Minus 6 squared is 36. Plus ax. It's a times x, so a times minus 8, which is minus 8a. Plus by. Y times b, which is minus 6 times b. And then plus c equals 0. How do you solve this? Okay, let's clean it up a bit. You're gonna get keep it as letters and then the constant term on the other side. Okay, so minus 6a plus c equals minus 36 because I took 36 to the other side. 20, I have this is 20, 16 plus 4, 20. Let's take it to the other side, so it's gonna come negative 20. Let's clean it up over here. Minus 4a plus 2b plus c. بعدين هون take 64 plus 3600. Take it to the other side, it's going to become minus 100. Okay, minus 8a minus 6b plus c. Then this you put it on your calculator, and you should get that a equals minus 4. You should get that b equals 12, and you should get that c equals minus 60. Okay, but they don't write like this. They write as x, y, z. But you should just put 2 and 2 together. Okay, write it like this. Minus 6a plus 0b, you put 0 in the slot of b, plus 1c equals minus 36. Then minus 4, 2, 1, minus 20. Then minus 8, minus 6, 1, minus 100. Question 8. I'm not going to explain how to solve it on paper because that's going to take me too long. You can just watch the recording for the term to week 8 math CA. I explained it there. The equation of the circle of center minus 2, 6 and radius 10 is x squared plus 6. Okay, whatever. This is expanded form. So let's write it in the normal form. It's going to be x minus 3 squared, okay, plus y minus 6 squared equals r squared. So 10 squared 100, yeah. So x minus 3 squared is x plus 3 squared, and then continue y minus 6 squared equals 100. Okay, x plus 3 squared, you know the rule. A plus b squared equals a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So it's gonna be x squared plus 6x plus 9 plus y squared minus 12x plus 36. Okay, equals 100. Then you subtract 36 and subtract 9 on the other side because they don't want any constant term on the left. Okay, you're gonna get 100 minus 36 is gonna be 64. 64 minus 9 is gonna be 55. So you're gonna get k equals 55. Question 9. The radius of the circle. What's the radius here? You can directly apply half radical a squared plus b squared minus 4c. So let's do it. Half radical a squared, which is going to be 2 squared, which is 4, plus b squared, which is going to be 4 squared, which is 16, minus 4 times minus 59. You put this on a calculator, you should get, I think you should get, after you put this in a calculator, you get 16. And since there's a half outside, half of 16 is 8. Or you can just directly put this in the calculator and you get 8. Question 10. Consider a circle whose equation x squared minus 20x x plus y squared equals 0. What is the abscissa of the center of the circle? Abscissa means x coordinate. Okay. How do you find x coordinate? Just do minus a over 2. So minus 28 divided by 2 is obviously 14. Thank you so much for watching, and good luck in your exam.